Hello. I want to find an animation. Let's just get one that we know. Uh, my primary attack slow. Let's that's preview animation primary attack. Maybe B. So A and B are kind of similar. It's right. So I need to. Primary attack B. Primary attack B. Slow. Let's right click at the keyframe marker. Remove frame from 0 to 29. We just have this one frame where the shield's kind of out there. Get that. We're going to go into. I copied the name of that animation. Let's look it back up. It's this one. I want to rename this to shield block animation. I'm going to put that in my player character folder. Close the mannequin. I think we'll leave that open for now. Go to player character, animation blueprint, player state machine, add state, shield block, call it block, idle to block, block to idle, attack to block, block to attack, block to attack, idle to, so we need to know if we're blocking. Let's go to our player character. Let's get input action block. See, this is set up as attacking. Let's get a new boolean. B is blocking. Set. You can press Alt and drag something out, or Control and drag something out. Blocking. Let's go back to the animation blueprint and the event graph. Let's drag from this character reference. Is blocking. Right click on the output pin, promote the variable. It is blocking. Player state. Block. I want to use shield block animation. Get that set up here. Get this loop set to is blocking. Now set the conditions. Idle to block. If they're blocking, they can. Block to idle. Let's get a boolean. Not boolean. Block to attack. Is attacking. And I also want to get not boolean. And whichever one's more important. They're both important, and I'd already be blocking. So and boolean. Let's copy these. Let's copy this whole thing. So we're about to go into attacking the blocking. Here, I want to say, I want to make it attacking, not attacking, and blocking. But if I am attacking, don't override block. Don't override attack for block. Let's see what happens if I press the right trigger. I can't block. If I press the left trigger while I do it, now if I attack and I pressing left trigger, left mouse button, then I'm going to press right mouse button now. It doesn't do it. Okay, that was getting the shield animations in. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.